This is 1720 Lombard Street, large apartment building in Philadelphia. Bordering the Rittenhouse Square and Graduate Hospital neighborhoods. Beautiful tree-lined street. Rittenhouse Square is just a couple blocks north. Beautifully maintained apartment building. Very secure and safe. Code entry to access. This is some of the common area. Really pretty landscaping. A lot of very unique, character-filled apartments. This is the property. And really pretty. Yeah, there's all sorts of units here. This is the entrance for most of the units. There are some entrances along here. And one apartment in there. This is the mail area. How you doing? This is the mail area. Second locked door here. On every floor there's a trash chute. Okay, right there. This is the elevator to get to many of the units. Enter. Now we're going to the basement to show you the additional laundry services. Right here, some additional laundry services. Most of the units have stackable washer and dryer inside the unit. Okay. There is recycling in here. The trash can be dropped through the chute. Tons of security throughout. You'll see lots of cameras. And that is the majority of the common space. Now we're going to head up onto the unit floors for whichever apartment you're viewing now.
Hello, I am here on the 4th floor to show you a one-bedroom unit. Yes, came out of this elevator. As you walk in, over here you have fire steps. Walk into the unit, you have, right now it's not working, temporarily off service, but you have a trash chute. You have plenty of windows for a natural light in the hallway. The unit I'm about to show you is unit 402. It's a one-bedroom unit. It's a beautiful one-bedroom. Next to the unit, you have stairs. If you like to take stairs to downstairs, you just walk here, open the door, and go down. Okay, as I walk into the place, you see this beautiful hardwood floor and very, very high ceiling. And place gets a lot of natural light. Here you have a small window for a beautiful view of the city. Here on your right, you have huge closet space. Then as I walk in, on my right again, I have this beautiful kitchen. A lot of cabinet space on both sides. You have upgraded countertop and this small island for dining. You have a gas oven and cooktop. You have built-in microwave. You have a refrigerator. You have a dishwasher here. You also have a washing machine, laundry machine here. In addition to that, you have this nice sink with a garbage disposal. This is the view. This is your living space. In addition to this nice living space, you have a small balcony through that glass door. Go out. Here is your balcony to have just a breath of fresh air and to have this amazing view of the city. Walking back to the unit. I'd like to show you the remaining place. Here you have a bathroom, a nice bathroom. You have a tile floor, toilet, nice sink with storage space. You have a medicine cabinet with a mirror. You have additional medicine cabinet on your left here. Then you have your bathtub, a nice bathtub and shower combo. It has tile walls throughout. Next to the bathroom, you have this small closet space for your towels. Then you have your bright and beautiful bedroom. You get a lot of natural light and beautiful view. And it is nice size bedroom. And one of the nice thing about this bedroom, you have huge closet space. It's a double door. Here you have a built-in shelf. You open this. You have another one. This is what the bedroom looks like from this angle. This is the view. I just showed you this beautiful one-bedroom apartment. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the unit. Thank you for watching. Bye.